Know the facts first by First Capital Certified Metal Roofing. Fact 1. Metal roofs make you money. Most homeowners view their roof as a cost, but did you know a permanent roofing solution can actually make you money? Here are 5 ways a permanent roof can put money in your pocket. Lower energy bills. Because metal roofing reflects heat instead of absorbing it, meaning you can save up to 40% in energy costs. Fewer roof replacements. Asphalt roofs get replaced 2 to 4 times as often as a metal roof, making them more expensive over time. Lower homeowners insurance premiums. Because metal roofs get replaced less often, your insurance company can insure your home with less risk and pass the savings on to you. Increased home value. 52% of the cost of your metal roof can be added to the resale value of your home. A warranty that transfers with your home. With a permanent roof from First Capital Certified Metal Roofing, your warranty is passed on to the next homeowner, further increasing the sale value of your home. For more facts on permanent roofing or to schedule a complimentary roof inspection, call First Capital Certified Metal Roofing at 512-955-5471 or visit us at austinmetalroofer.com.